Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Luxury Travel Asia hotel tour. Today we'll be showing you guys the Aloft Hotel in Seoul's Myeongdong area, and we'll be showing you guys two separate rooms today. We'll start out with the Breezy suite, and towards the end of the video we'll cover the entry-level deluxe room. So for this stay today, I originally booked the entry-level room, but because of my Titanium Elite status with Marriott, they graciously gave me the upgrade at check-in. So for the Breezy suite, it was quite spacious. I was traveling with one other person this day, and we had no problems when it came to space. There's a separate living room with a couch and a desk, as you saw. There's a mini fridge with complimentary water, as well as a nice sized bathroom and even a small walk-in closet, which is pretty rare to come by in Korean hotels unless you're staying at a really fancy 5-star hotel in like a really nice suite. So that was a nice surprise. And as far as spacing goes, there was plenty of extra drawer space and extra like cabinets. And as you can see, the closet was pretty spacious. Big enough to put all your suitcases in and any souvenirs that you pick up along the way, so that you don't just have stuff scattered all over your hotel room floor. And yeah. And as for the bedroom itself, it is separated from the living room, and I went for the one king bed option. But there's also options, I believe, 2 twin beds as well. And for the bathroom, as you can see, there's plenty of space. Only one sink, but 2 separate mirrors if you need to use it at the same time someone else is. And as far as the menus goes, they have your usual toothbrush and essential toiletries. To the right, there is a bathroom with a bidet, and it is an electric toilet, which is pretty nice. And overall, the room was pretty clean, so I was definitely happy about that. And then to the left, there was a separate bath and shower area. Standard shower with a rainfall shower head. And the bath on the left, which was pretty spacious. It wasn't super big, but definitely enough to fit one person, obviously. And we were on the 12th floor, so we had views of one of the main streets in the Myeongdong area. And as I mentioned, there's the Lotte department store on the left-hand side and Myeongdong Shopping Street on the right-hand side. The hotel is about a minute walk from the entrance to Myeongdong Shopping Street, which is pretty nice. But as I'll talk about later, the hotel did feel a little bit dated, and I found throughout my travels in the city, there's a couple better hotels to stay in the Myeongdong area, but I'll talk about that in a little bit. There was a breakfast, buffet style, nothing special, but if you're a Platinum Elite member or above, it is complimentary, so no complaints. And lastly, this is the deluxe room, which is just like their entry-level room. I booked it with 1 king bed. And this is a separate stay from my travels in Seoul. I booked this as a solo traveler, and I booked it for about 21 nights or 3 weeks. And because I booked an extended stay, which is usually 14 nights or more, they did give me a heavy discount on the room. I believe it was about $64 a night compared to, I just checked the prices for upcoming June 2023, and it's about $239 a night. So if you have an extended stay, then they'll definitely give you a much better rate compared to just a couple nights.